In this final part of the series about the Swiss public transport timetable, I'll share my last few tips to make sure all of your trips go smoothly. It's normal in Switzerland to switch trains with just a few minutes between connections. Here's an example of me traveling from Bern to La Chaux-de-Fonds. This travel option includes a switch of trains of only 4 minutes in Neuchâtel. Timetable won't suggest this if it's not doable. But if you prefer a slower paced journey, there's an easy fix. Go to the settings and enable a longer interchange time. You'll see that the 4-minute option is gone, and now you have more relaxed choices like direct trains or longer transfer times. What if the timetable doesn't give you any travel options? The most common mistake is entering a travel date too far in the future, like I did here. Swiss public transport schedules are updated once a year in mid-December. Trips for after that date will only become available between mid-September and mid-October. This can also happen for international trips, like this one to France. Those schedules may get updated later, so you'll have to play with the date to get an idea of your travel options. Also, boats and cable cars may only be running seasonally. Here's an example. My trip to the Niederhorn, which is a mountain near Interlaken, simply isn't possible in March, but it is later that year. You may have noticed these abbreviations like RE and IC. Those are train types. In this case, it's a Regio Express train, which is for short distance travel, and an intercity train for longer distances and generally a little more comfortable. The train types are explained on our website, but honestly, they're all fine and you can safely pick any travel option without paying attention to it. There's one exception, and that's the Panorama Express, indicated with PE. If you're looking to travel on a panoramic tourist train, like the Glacier Express in this case, then that's the one you need. The train types are combined with a number. That number indicates a train line, and you can find it on the train and the platform too. That's an extra confirmation you're boarding the right train. The numbers can often be found inside the train as well, like here in the case of IC Line 81 from Spiez to Interlaken. Has this series helped you feel more confident in planning your Swiss public transport trips? Are there any features you found helpful that I didn't cover? Please let me know in the comments. Be sure to check the links in the description for the simple version of the timetable. That page also has handy links to train station details, line numbers and more.